Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell a digital download on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com and just click sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then verify your email if prompted. It's D2FA. And then you will need to go with products right here, the option that you can find on the left hand menu. Okay, so just click it at the second option and then go with new products option that you can see at the top right corner of the website. And now you will need to go with digital products as well, so just select it and go with next or customize. So as you can see, the name is required and the price too. So just go and set up a name. So for example, we go with digital download. Okay, and for the price we'll go with $10. Okay, and you can change the currency just from here, and after that go with next customize. And here you will need to provide the customer with all the informations of the product, so you can set a description right here, URL, cover, thumbnail that you can get from your desktop. Here you can get it from an external link as well, and computer files. Also the product infos, you can add some details, so once you click it you can go with additional details, the integrations, the pricing, you can change it right here, allow the customers to pay what they want, allow customers to pay an installment, so you can turn them on if you want, and the version, the settings as well. And once finished, just go with save and continue, then publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.